I got a new book. Sorry, guys. Okay. I got the Zippy Creation book. 20 quick and easy knitting projects. Hats, shawls, blankets, cows. Hats, scarves, blanket, cows, shawls, and more. Now, you can buy this by itself, or I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you can actually get these as a set together on the KB Loom's website. This is the full set that goes with this book. So everything in this book you should be able to do with this set. I haven't even looked in it yet. So let's look. Okay, we got the front. Oh, we can see some cabling done. On the back, that's a cute pillow. Oh, are these called snoods? Or we'll see what it is when we open it up. A very chunky scarf. Okay. Ooh. It's got... Just kind of show them real quick. And I'll kind of go through the book itself a bit so you can see better pictures of the items. Alright, so it goes over different configurations of the loom set. It teaches you how to read the charts, which is very, very important. It has abbreviations, understanding your charts, how to blocking your knitting. Guys, it's important. You can completely change the look of a project just by blocking. And now it's going on how to cast on, showing you some stitches, which I want to go through this pretty fast, finishing up. One thing you want to look at when you're looking at books, everybody's different. Some people are visual learners. So when you have a lot of pictures describing how to do the stitches, that's very, very helpful. Some people need videos. Some people need the written directions. So the more that you can get in one spot, the more likely you will be successful at your projects. Okay, so cozy classic pillow. Okay, I'm seeing it. Cozy classic blanket. Now that does look cozy. Okay, I think I want to make that one. And one thing that's cool, at the top of each one, it gives you the configuration you need for that, which I'm not really going through that. I'm just really showing you what the book has. Garter stitch scarf. There's a picture of it kind of stretched out a bit. There we go. Double knit scarf, which it does show you over here how to configure your loom. Oh, that's another double knit scarf, just using a different collar. Is that the same? Yeah, it's basically the same. Kids, one zippy scarf. That's just one of these little pieces that you can buy by itself. Oh, and they add like little pom-poms on it. Or it looks like some fun fur yarn. Seed stitch scarf. Simple hat, which that's using the same yarn as a seed stitch scarf. So that can give you a little set that goes together. Soft Smiles hat. Zippy classic hat and scarf. Blanket jacket. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the ones where you kind of make one shape and then you have to put it together. See, I want one of those for really, really cold days. It's Sweet Savannah. This is the blanket jacket. The next one's Sweet Savannah blanket. Ooh, that's nice. It looks almost like, nope, they don't line up right. I was going to say it looks kind of like a basket weave from a distance, but when you look at it close, they're actually triangles. That is really neat. Cozy rug. Okay, I didn't think of a rug. Oh, is that denim yarn? Okay, something that's kind of new to me that I didn't think about. You can buy denim yarn. Or, to do stuff like this, you can actually recycle old pairs of pants. There are some really cool, I've got a book that shows how to do all that. So it's something I'm going to try at some point, because that'd be nice to make rugs out of. Little apple hat. Magical stitch blanket. Okay, so each section, This is kind of what you call a sampler blanket. Each section is teaching you a new technique and a new style. These are fantastic to learn things, especially for a blanket, because you're going to be doing the same thing for so long, it'll help you remember it. Very nice. Plum garden wrap. That is cute. Braided pillow. Okay, so the top part of it's braided here. Oh, and it tells you how to do the braiding. And cable cows and... oh, they call them wristers? Huh. Wristers. I would have used arm warmers? I don't know, maybe that is the correct term for it. But here's the cabled cow and the cabled wristers. You can see the cables going up the front of them. It looks really cozy. Fox cabled footstool. That's actually really clever. You would definitely want to get very, very firm, very good batting to fill that with, so it would hold its shape. But that is very cool. I haven't seen a footstool pattern before. Okay, that's more for the rain dance shawl. Oh, getting into some lacy looking stuff. Nice. Hooded super scarf. Wow, that is a super scarf. Look at that. That is really cool. I like how they did like the weaving look with the like the cables, or that's really cute. And that is it. It gives you an index in the back. Okay, that is really cool. And it does look like if you have the Zippy Master set in the book, you can create everything in the book from the Master set. That is fantastic. Let me make sure. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's how it looks. That's really cool. Really, really cool. Alright guys, so this retails $14.99. Not bad for a book with 20 projects, so many detailed picture instructions. That's very, very nice. Now, I don't know if places like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics carry this book or not, but if they do, you can wait for a coupon, get it cheaper, or you can go to KB's website. Direct links for stuff off KB's website will be in the video description below, because I believe you can get both of these together. If not, I will have the individual links for both of them. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I want comments in the comment section below. Either of these projects, if you have this book, I would love you to leave comments of projects you've made, what you think of them. If you are on the Hypnotic Hysteria Facebook page, of course, links in the description below. Share pictures of what you've made, what looms you've made it on, even the yarn you use, because everything looks different. You know, all of these can look completely different if you use a different colorway, if you use a different type of yarn. Simple little things like that do make a big difference in your finished project. So definitely share with us your creations on your Zippy Loom or any loom. That's it guys. Thank you so much. Information in the description, comments in comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have your notifications turned on so when new videos come out, you will receive an email. And again guys, thank you.